In this video, I'm going to show you how to send or transfer money from Zelle to your bank account. It's a quick and simple process. But first, there's one important thing you need to understand. Zelle itself does not hold money. There is no separate Zelle balance that you transfer from. Zelle is just a payment system that moves money directly between bank accounts. So when someone sends you money using Zelle, it goes straight into your linked bank account, automatically. Now, let's go through how this works using a bank app like Wells Fargo as an example. First, open your bank's mobile app and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Log into your account, and once you're on the home screen, look for the Pay and Transfer option, which is usually at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. Inside this section, you'll see the option for Zelle or Send Money with Zelle. Tap on that. If your bank account is already enrolled with Zelle, you'll be taken to the Zelle menu. Here, you'll see options to send money, request money, or scan a QR code. If someone sends you money using Zelle, and they use your phone number or email that's linked to your bank, the money will be deposited directly into your bank account. There's nothing extra you need to do. The transfer usually happens within minutes, although sometimes it can take a little longer depending on the bank. If you want to send money using Zelle, tap the Send option. Choose a contact, or enter the recipient's email address or phone number. As long as the other person is enrolled with Zelle through their bank, the money will be sent directly from your bank account to theirs. You can also request money by tapping the Request option. Enter the contact's information, set the amount, and send the request. Once they pay you through Zelle, the funds will again go straight into your bank account. The same steps apply if you're using Zelle through another bank's app. As long as your bank supports Zelle, you'll see the same options to send, receive, or request money, and all transfers go directly between bank accounts. So, to summarize, you don't manually transfer money from Zelle to your bank. Any money you receive through Zelle is automatically deposited into your linked bank account.